Did you know that Facebook can be a goldmine for savvy entrepreneurs? That's right, the same platform you use to keep up with friends and family could be your ticket to financial freedom. Intrigued? Stick around because I'm about to spill the tea on Facebook fortune making. We're diving deep into the world of Facebook monetization. With over 2.8 billion monthly active users, Facebook isn't just a social network. It's a bustling marketplace teeming with opportunity. So, are you ready to turn those likes into cold hard cash? Let's get started. Today I'll take you to discover how to make money on Facebook with these simple tips. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and down the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the ThriveWise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Now, I know what you're thinking. If it's so easy to make money on Facebook, why isn't everyone doing it? Well, that's because it's not without its challenges. Let's break down the hurdles that you'll need to overcome. First up, we've got the ever-changing Facebook algorithm. Just when you think you've cracked the code, Zuckerberg and his team will throw you a curveball. It's like trying to hit a moving target while blindfolded. Next, there's the competition. With millions of businesses vying for attention, standing out can feel like screaming into the void. How do you make your voice heard above this noise? Then you've got the knowledge gap. Sure, you know how to post a selfie or share a meme, but monetizing your presence? That's a whole different ballgame. The learning curve can be steep, and without the right guidance, you might find yourself spinning your wheels. And lastly, there's the issue of time and consistency. Building a profitable Facebook presence isn't an overnight success story. It requires dedication, patience, and a whole lot of trial and error. But don't worry, where there are challenges, there are also opportunities. And that's exactly what we're here for. So let's roll up our sleeves and dive into the juicy stuff. We're about to explore the Facebook fortune frontier. And trust me, it's more exciting than finding an extra fry at the bottom of your McDonald's bag. Let's start off with number 1. Content is king, and queen, and the whole royal family. First things first, let's talk about content. On Facebook, content isn't just king. It's the whole dang monarchy. Creating engaging posts is like cooking a gourmet meal. You need the right ingredients, perfect timing, and a dash of that secret sauce. Start by identifying your niche. Are you a fitness guru, a DIY wizard, or maybe a cat meme connoisseur? Your content should be so on brand that if it were a person, it'd have its own reality show. Mix up your content types. Use videos, images, polls, and live streams. It's like a content buffet. Give your audience a little bit of everything. Did you know that videos on Facebook get 59% more engagement than other post types? That's right, your followers are hungry for video content like I'm hungry for tacos at 2 a.m. Also, here's a pro tip. Use storytelling in your posts. Humans are hardwired for stories. It's why we binge watch Netflix shows and gossip about our neighbor's new flamingo lawn ornament. Craft narratives that resonate with your audience. Make them laugh, cry, or go aha faster than you can say algorithm update. Number 2. Build a tribe, not just a following. Now let's talk about building a community. You don't want followers. You want a tribe. Think of it this way. Followers are like people who wave at you on the street. But your tribe, they're the ones who'd help you move a couch up 5 flights of stairs. Engage with your audience like your social life depends on it. Because, well, it kind of does. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create polls. Make your Facebook page the digital equivalent of Cheers, a place where everybody knows your name. Host Facebook Lives regularly. It's like inviting your audience to a virtual party, minus the cleanup. Did you know that Facebook Lives get 6 times more engagement than regular videos? That's more action than a squirrel on a nut convention. Create a Facebook group for your most dedicated fans. It's like a VIP lounge for your brand. Share exclusive content, ask for feedback, and foster discussions. Before you know it, you'll have a community more tight-knit than your grandma's sweater. Number 3. Master the art of Facebook ads. Ah yes, Facebook ads. The digital equivalent of a megaphone in a crowded room. When done right, they can skyrocket your reach faster than gossip in a small town. Start by defining your target audience. Facebook's targeting options are more precise than a surgeon's scalpel. You can target people based on age, location, interests, and even their shopping habits. Want to reach left-handed ukulele players who love artisanal cheese? Well, Facebook's got you covered. After that, you need to create eye-catching ad visuals. In the scrolling Olympics, you've got about 1.7 seconds to grab attention. Make those seconds count. Use bold colors, intriguing images, and headlines that pack a punch more than a kangaroo in a boxing match. Then you need to test, and test some more. A/B testing your ads is like being a mad scientist, but instead of creating monsters, you're creating money-making machines. So try different images, copy, and calls to action. You might be surprised that sometimes the ads you think is a dud turns out to be a stud. Number 4. Monetization methods. Now let's talk about turning those likes into dollar signs. There are more ways to monetize on Facebook than there are cat videos on the internet. So let's explore a few. A is affiliate marketing. This is like being a digital matchmaker. You introduce your audience to products you love, and when they make a purchase, you get a commission. It's a win-win-win situation. Your audience gets great products, the company gets sales, and you get paid. B is sponsored posts. Once you've built a solid following, brands might pay you to feature their products. It's like being a billboard, but instead of being stuck on the side of a highway, you're right in people's news feeds. C is Facebook Marketplace. Selling products on Facebook Marketplace is just like having a garage sale, but without the early morning hagglers and the need to drag your stuff onto the lawn. D is Facebook Shops. Setting up a Facebook shop is like opening a store in the world's biggest mall. With over 2.8 billion monthly active users, that's a lot of potential window shoppers. And lastly is subscription groups. For the cream of the crop content, consider creating a paid Facebook group. It's like a Netflix subscription, but instead of binge watching Stranger Things, people are binging on your valuable insight. Number 5. Consistency is key. Here's the truth bomb. Consistency on Facebook is more important than matching socks. And I'm a big fan of matching socks. So, post regularly, engage daily, and show up for your audience like you're getting paid to do it. Because, well, that's the goal. Create a content calendar. It's like meal prepping, but for your Facebook page. Plan your posts in advance so you don't scramble for content like a student during finals week. Use scheduling tools to maintain a consistent posting schedule. It's like having a robot assistant, minus the potential for a dystopian takeover. Remember, building a profitable Facebook presence is a marathon, not a sprint. It's like growing a plant. You can't just shout at the soil and expect the tree to pop up overnight. Water it consistently, give it sunlight, or in this case, great content, and then you just watch it grow. You see, the key to unlocking Facebook's money-making potential isn't just about following a set of rules or tricks. It's about understanding that Facebook is more than just a platform. It's a digital ecosystem teeming with opportunities. Here's the golden nugget of wisdom. Facebook success is all about providing value in a way that resonates with your audience. It's not just about selling. It's about solving problems, entertaining, educating, and connecting. When you crack this code, you'll find that making money becomes a natural byproduct of your efforts. The beauty of Facebook is that it levels the playing field. You don't need a fancy degree or a massive investment to start. All you need is creativity, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. So, are you ready to turn your Facebook feed into your personal ATM? We've covered a lot of ground, from creating killer content to building a loyal tribe, mastering Facebook ads, and exploring various monetization methods. Remember, success on Facebook isn't instant, but with the right strategy and persistence, it's absolutely achievable. The Facebook fortune is out there, waiting for you to claim it. Also, what's your biggest challenge when it comes to making money on Facebook? Drop it in the comments and let's brainstorm solutions together. Who knows? Your question might inspire our next video. Well, that's basically discovering how to make money on Facebook with these simple tips. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.